Welcome to the Hodlnaut Crypto Card Review Usage Experience. For those interested, I've added links to the product in the description below. In this review, I'll cover the features of the Hodlnaut Crypto Card, its target audience, and my own usage experience to help you decide if it's the right choice for your crypto spending needs. The Hodlnaut Crypto Card is designed for users of the Hodlnaut platform, which is well known for its crypto lending and interest-earning services. The card is built to enable seamless spending of your digital assets, specifically targeting individuals who want to earn interest on their holdings while retaining the ability to spend them easily. With the Hodlnaut Crypto Card, you can pay with Bitcoin and other supported cryptocurrencies directly, converting them to fiat instantly at the point of sale. This means you don't have to worry about manually selling your crypto before making a purchase. Hodlnaut handles it for you, converting your assets in real time whenever you swipe. A standout feature is its integration with the Hodlnaut app, giving you complete control over your spending and access to detailed transaction history. You can easily set limits, lock the card if needed, and monitor your account from the app's user-friendly interface. One of the major selling points is the cashback rewards you earn on every purchase, which is credited back in crypto, allowing you to grow your digital assets even when you're spending. The cashback percentage varies depending on your level of participation in the Hodlnaut ecosystem, with higher tiers offering better rewards, especially if you are a loyal user holding Hodlnaut's token. This card is ideal for Hodlnaut users who are already leveraging the platform's interest-earning features and want a convenient way to access and spend their crypto without transferring it to a separate wallet or exchange. It's a great fit for those who value convenience, ease of use, and who are looking to benefit from a seamless crypto-to-fiat conversion while earning rewards. Additionally, the card's competitive fee structure, without monthly charges or hidden costs, adds to its appeal for crypto-savvy spenders. In my experience, the Hodlnaut Crypto Card delivers a straightforward and effective solution for everyday crypto spending. Transactions are quick and hassle-free, the app's interface is intuitive, and the rewards provide a nice incentive for active Hodlnaut users. Overall, it's a solid choice for anyone who's part of the Hodlnaut ecosystem or considering getting into crypto lending with spending flexibility. Don't forget to explore the product links in the description to get more information.